The analysis opens different symbols. Check your average trading performance depending on how many other trades you have opened in different symbols at the start of a new trade. Symbol refers to other currency pairs, indices, stocks, cryptocurrency, and metals. Trading is a complex task with many information that have to be processed by you simultaneously. Therefore, it should always be the aim to reduce the complexity as much as possible, so you can focus on your analysis, the track of your trades, the planning of your trade exits, or the review of your previous trades. By having trades open in multiple symbols, traders increase the complexity as they have to follow multiple charts, either reducing their ability to track their ongoing trades or reducing the focus on the analysis and entry point selection of the new trades. With the complexity increased, oftentimes the ability to make well-informed decisions suffers. Hence, the performance of the trades may also suffer on average. As you can see in the chart, the performance of the trader decreased the more open symbols the trader had when opening a new trade. When having no other position or one other position, the average performance per trade is at roughly 2.5 pips. With 2 or 3 open positions, the average performance already starts to decrease and becomes much worse and even negative as soon as the trader has more than 5 open positions in different symbols. Moving with the cursor over the bars, you see that the trader had quite a lot of trades when 5 or more other symbols were open at the same time, having a negative payoff of minus 826 USD with 5 to 10 open trades and minus 387 USD with more than 10 open trades, which gives a loss more than 1,200 USD in total. We see a similar pattern for the benchmark traders. However, we have to keep in mind that those traders usually only have very few new trades while they have many other positions open. In case you have a similar pattern to this trader and you start to work on this behavior, you can make use of the more recent time frames in order to check your progress. You will be able to detect whether your effort already started to work by looking at the total payoff from the trades while many other symbols were open in the last 1 or 3 months. The analysis only measures the number of different symbols you have an open trade in at the entry point of the new trade. If you have 2 open trades, one in EURUSD and another one in Bitcoin, and enter a third trade, let's say in GBPUSD, this will be counted as having 2 other symbols open at the entry point of that third trade. If you show a pattern in your chart showing a negative performance in case of trades, while you have many other trades in other symbols, you may also face the problem of having too high complexity in those trades, limiting your ability to make well-informed decisions. One possible strategy can be to find your level of open symbols that is an acceptable amount of complexity for you, hence still leading to the best performance. You may want to reduce the number of trades you open while you still have position in other symbols, although there may be attractive trading opportunities. I know this can be tough, however, might actually help you to perform better in total. An in-depth analysis of other charts may also cost you quite a bit of attention while you still have other open trades, hence also limiting your performance on the open running trades. Some people favor to only focus on a limited number of symbols which they look at simultaneously. This may reduce the complexity even further and at the same time also eliminates the temptation to actually enter trades in other symbols because you may have spotted a good trading opportunity. Sometimes it is possible to observe that if a trader has no other open positions, so focusing fully on their only open trade, traders may tend to overthink their trades, therefore closing a position too early. For example, this may also yield a less optimal payoff, and their performance is actually the best with one other symbols open simultaneously. However, this is a very personal effect that is not true for everyone. Looking at your trades, you will be able to see your customized output and can potentially adjust your own behavior to boost your performance accordingly. In case you do have a significant loss-making pattern due to too many different open trades in different symbols at the same time, you may choose to receive a notification from us warning that you have just entered another position, although you have other positions open, which on average end up with an underperformance in your trades. Trading can be very demanding, and a little technical support may actually help you to free your mind and focus better.